guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Do you understand? Go find how you go take do IVF. May you take born. No come they use it direct to take talk to us. Because if you want talk to you, now wait till your body, now go take laugh you. If you see anyone wait there my body, I beg you take laugh me. I use God beg you. You see what I asked you just now? Your wish not feel rich. As if I saw to finish, God they say, this. Now me want to use it direct way. I don't spend almost 8 years for Facebook. Leave on. Even if say my Facebook no enter viral, my Facebook no reach 3 this year. I like her. Your own way you reach you call. Where they tell you for your comment section. Orionba to asu the neverowa. Orionba to afianwu. Not be that they tell you. Orionba ohin. You see huh? Oyuhure. Oji, ona ya do ekena ni jani yesigeye. Ona ya krishote picture no here. Osalobo Aguero. I wa hen ekia. Ekia ni wa digba. Na so the cassava digba. I beg you task, may you go born, may you they talk for where women like you they talk. You don't reach for you to born. I can see a lot of people. When they come this Facebook. Some of they say they never see pikin born. They don't marry for 5 years. So they talk that time. People come they talk say God will bless you. No, all of them don't born. I don't see a lot where be say they don't born. I don't see a lot where they don't born. No, you there Facebook. All of them when they drink pure water with salt. All of them don't born. All of them don't carry. All of them don't born. Their children don't grow. All of them they busy now. What you went now here? Eminare, what here? YouTube. Why you not they go YouTube again? Money not dead there. Yeah, the new people Becky even Jani yesi girl bro. Mugu when not go school. Now me they use it directly they talk to go bath. I don't spend 10 years for social media. I'm far better than you. You will not get home. Do you have home? You the spot with Igboma. You get home. Do you have home? A woman for abroad that spent 27 years. After your born by, she become a street girl. She become a homeless. A homeless is working now. When one now. At this moment you are seeing me right now, I'm in my sitting room. I relax for a year, you know. I relax for a year. I don't understand. Neboya wu. Oh, they said you bought that old. Now they cannot get belly. Oh, you don't die. Oh, we go old. Oh, we go not old. No, we go not they give women belly. Oh, we go not they give women belly. One live video presenter say nu yare. If I marry before we will go re. Oka marriage ya no yana re. Go re. She sister say she won't go re. You marry where they for pay your bride price. Orion ba avec bivier. Orion ba ogbivier. Orion ba ogbivier. You are welcome, my mommy. Awalalie. You know what? Mama Susie. You know, say me at the tell and truth say, make it say no people. Or no dinama say it no be pantry when they don't know. We not pantry say pantry or huonje. We know they see you on top of the pantry. Where dinama ama no ma where you were in problem. You know as people know you rich, They don't feel see one inside when if help you solve your problem. Who knows you? Eh? Nobody knows you now. Eh? As you there, mama, may I tell you? They say, person when no one fight, now they use it direct way till they talk. You understand? Who want fight, you go come, you go spit down for your face. They not get their life, you know. And they come they talk now, they talk about Sister Meg. Rita can't put. You understand? If you see Rita, not that, to be honest, not that Rita the verse, say is the verse for Meg. Say more say 50% or even 35%. Rita not they use and take the verse for Precious Meg. Then I know they come to say, hi, look, Precious Meg with Rita matter. Now I come tell her say, okay, oh, I think you did there. Hi. I don't reach evening, Nana. Now, wow. I never see go wash my hair. Now see what I do this morning. I be no one lose the hair. Oh. I bath. As I bath finish, I look the hair for mirror. I say, no, this hair, you not go follow me past today, enter next week. I must lose you. You know? Say me, I dey always they talk truth. I know they banner because I know they fight. And I may be the barrister. When it comes to truth, I will say it. Then I got to say how you see Rita with Precious Meg. Not to say Precious Meg with Rita. Precious Meg, don't me. I like to say the way it is. Now got to say Precious Meg with Rita. Who true don't fight each other. Now got to say na Rita. Fight Precious Meg. Why Rita fight Precious Meg? Because Precious Meg they with Monica then. That was the pure truth. Even Rita, when I even toss, if Rita even herself, Rita will say, lovely. Almost Italian or J. Rita will say, lovely, go talk and sit day. I say, because I don't see Precious Meg come out, he sought Rita for this Facebook. When it got too much, now Precious Meg can come and do video once. Yes. I speak the truth and I stand for the truth. I know they lie. And I'm not going to say, you can't give me money. May I can't support you for evil. No, I take people out of evil. I don't get evil act. Even come be the part people put because they load evil for their heart. No. If you want matter to settle, do it the way it is. That is how to solve problem. When you say you can't they use wayo, I don't understand. Now I know because they say no. Me I understand the no get, but no, I'm not carry quarrel come. I just want to say the way it is that if you truly look into the problem between Rita and Meg, now they analyze video when they no get do. If you look into the problem of Precious Meg and Rita, no be Precious Meg, no be look for Rita trouble. No be look for Rita trouble. No. And where Rita, they attack Precious Meg there, now because Precious Meg, they with Monica. And Monica and Rita, they saga, Monica, they saga Rita. I don't understand. And Rita, now that kind of person will be say, if any live video presenter, if you with that live video presenter, they quarrel, you they reach that person war, Even if say that person, no matter how, you go must quick Rita. I know people like Rita, this sort of most vessel. You must saga the person. Then they see people like that. Awami. Me, as you see me so, I can get friend when you reach 15. If they like, they separate 7. I don't get where I dey. I will just stand on my own. If they don't they fight, I know the top would not be like this. If you like me, they fight, now you find trouble. You, if you like me, they fight, now you find trouble. I'll just stop it like that. Did you see me? Benin people know me. Oh. A lot of Benins know me. Both girls, both men, both women, we know say we don't they advance small, old school. They know me. As you see me so, I don't follow Bini where. Not be Facebook. I start to they follow Bini people. I don't get Bini person. We don't spend more than how many years? More than 20-something years. We still different today. Now Bini. She not to say as I enter Facebook, say she know me. She will call one live video presenter. She will call the talk say I know Lovely that time now. See Lovely that time. I say no. She's from Bini. I honestly cook. I honestly mama not be all of them. No good. Some of them were good for inside the over perfect. If there is some Benin people that know me, because why? They not go see any bad thing when they go come talk about me. I never do bad. I never cause problem for them. I never lie for year. No. I don't understand. Now so, I wish I'd be bad person say, if they fight that time, I will come join my friend. They beat them. Therefore say, I Lovely. We know Lovely before now. They know me. You think that they don't know me? Now me be mama carry one. You don't tell when I dey rain. Now Facebook, now you can't come the rain. You can't they talk to me for a no get platform when no your ba. Wagbo, you dey mad. We come. Wait till you carry come. Money when you carry for. It and yes, you get bring the money, bring the account come out. And you say on a different accounts. Now I post that money, different accounts. Everywhere, different accounts. Now you work the money. You well you bought buy the next, you never even reach 1 month. You become an orphan. You were homeless. Now we go has to go pack load put. 1 room. It showed the 1 room went there for we go house that day. The slave that you be in Edo State, the same slave still landed you in Obigbo 1 room. Look at the place where you live. Living in a 1 room, even Iyore self, they don't live like that. I'm a family woman. I have children under me. If you want to talk, sit down well, reason your life. When I date your age, I don't born again. When I date your age, you don't enter monopause. They talk say, Queen, go bomb me, you don't enter monopause. Hypocrite, me hypocrite by you. You don't open now because of Okman face when you get. Now people know they know say you be old woman. She don't not be small pikio. If one this woman I know I finish. You see my eye, I know you finish. And they done. Ukpegbe wo ya eke una hie dede ehwe mu ehwe mu you know the share you know the share I dey 40 years I not born again. You know when I born last you don't enter 40-something years. Rest more when you complete 50 years. If you never even reach 50 years, self, whether now even they see where you go born more, I be come show us pad. More do part competition. More do part competition. I bet if you see your menstruation, come show us. If I see my I can't show you. You don't say they don't they borrow menstruation now. Like that story when I they give just now. Now so that woman belle call the big go. People call the fish say, I bet now rice and beans they inside. Because the woman she they sell rice and beans, Maggi, everything, you know. If the woman they shade today, no they shade finish. He go shade though, they buy where they shade now. So they buy people they when they help and they shade. Now so the woman belle big. He go to doctor say he tell doctor say I beg you not get belle. You know say when somebody to find something, you can't come on mind. I be that woman. Oh, before you know, 9 months, you go tell mama say, you know sure. Mama will say, now belle now you get. Before you know, you born baby girl now you born that time. That pikin now go don't reach 20-something years. You see, when people they insult her, she can never insult people. She was focused on her business. How many go fee? How many go fee fights? E kaere da nana we buwele. See this on your conquer Facebook. Me ma bia wanaya gumeya. Me ma bia manaya gumeya. I don't get view. Now you they laugh me. She they laugh me say I don't take for Facebook. I don't get view. Me with you loud pass for Facebook. Now me break Facebook. I break Facebook. Hook up when I do throw away years back. Now you can't do. Me with you. Who can't be the first for Facebook? Now to gather view. Now that they talk. Now to gather view because they want to listen to your madness. What the you are so here? Should my phone did this thing? When they be ya balugwe, Monica, me wala januwe, Monica, me wala januwe. Let's say, look at this bonfou. Monica, they cook for children for inside house. They shout for their zuo. Go bon, do bien. Na ye gboru enye. We be orioba bien, orioba bien, orioba. Ya orioba don bon, ya bien. Go bon. There's Ogaba don't bon. Ogaba can't go away. Ibi can't be away. Ibi na gbe no ba. Ibi na gbe no ba. Ibi. While the dog be ne o. Ibi. You know how to do saga because I enter house. You too small. You born I Ogaba. The time when we did Nigeria at that time, people when they ostracize. They still they born. People go they hide, go they give them yam, go they hide, go they give them red oil, go they hide, go they do this one. Many they still get friend. As you take get friends, so eh? Look at the life you are living. The life you are living is like, oh my God, you are not even growing up in the society. You don't grow up with anything. You are not rich. The clothes when you they wear, now all those clothes wear, whether not Chinese, the lowest Chinese cloth. Now you they wear when people say that they do carnival. Now carnival, now you come they say that one say mama say we are good. Now say that one know what to be good. Carnival clothes. Now you they wear for body when you call they shout carnival. You go dress like carnival. Say well now. Accra, the cheapest one. Now she tell the so cloth where she got the shot for Facebook. You don't make money for Facebook. The money where it be say, Mammy the Facebook or ma ori he. I don't go carry one ancestors come for each and land, come use and make money. No. All that beneath people that was a live video presenter, they didn't go and bring Edo and Benin ancestors to social media. No, they talk with their mouths. Yo, don't know where Ijani yes again. Na I born your papa. Orionpa, where be beer? I will Orionpa ni beer. Beer, you wa beer. You know nothing. If I close eye now, you know, you want make I tell or buy you. I close out now. Nothing dead here. And it's also reveni or a back. You know, your womb supposed to be like you see that water, that river, now so womb be that river when you go get grass. If you get grass, you go see insects. Insects go they on top. They go they fly. They go insects go they fly put. You tell no say that land when that place where you see so, you know say it they produce where. Your belly no be like that. I don't see them for you. You wear a dollar IVF for where? Go try am now. They say they try IVF they you they work. As who they carry they go there. Now we they carry they go there. This woman were calling. Oh, piano won't be a young more. My way don't born cut picky. Now you follow say inside house. Now me when you see direct way talk to you too small. You are just a dirty village woman. Now more like webo. You see the Europe. You see get as you be. Very local. If you wear Stivali, you go be like say na kete. Are you serious? If you fake this way they wear, if you own her bag, I go look at like I say, what's this? She dressed like delinquent mugu. How you be? They mount. You don't know your mate. Eh? Now so as I can read, they're not gonna say, Meg, no find Rita trouble. Where Rita for the verse for Meg, say Rita with Monica the quarrel. Meg dead there. Now he make Rita the verse for Meg. Not be say Rita, he hate Meg. I can read somebody's mind. If she's here, she will know. She no hate Meg. That place where Meg did that time, now Rita no like. Yes, that is the truth. Even when I do video years back, I said it. I say, Rita, you just the saga Megs because he dey where Monica dey. No be say he get problem with you. No be say you hate her or your own. No, she didn't hate Meg. No. When we talk of say, he hate her. No, that one now, we don't see word use. She no hate her. Now just because that place when Meg dey, now dear, now they boil Rita. Rita no need that. I said it in the Noge live video this morning. I said that now if you talk of say who fed the saga person, now Rita, now if first start to the saga Meg. And Rita no say I no lie. Before Meg come out. We speak the truth. Not be truth now one. Because I thought put finish. Now I no get say mama no now say okay now. You tell Meg with Rita, make they come judge. If they come judge now, this one no get waiting do this one no get waiting do this one. Now just Facebook level, now it cause the fight, the problem when they get. That's it. That is how I reason my own. I don't get the one when I hate. The Rita when there I no hate her. When you see they do something when no good, I say Rita not be like that. Now so I tell they do my own. People for this Facebook will say, we not see no lovely by this time. That means say go back to school. You know, that is it. Now let one person for this Facebook say, I know I can never follow that one play. Now be the day now wish. Now be the day now wish. See the day now wish? Ne. That one is out of this thing. German first lady say, may she go born. Now because say she not born, may not come to disturb her. I like this thing die. Very cool and gentle, you know. Now so I talk Puto, and when you I thank the caller when he call in that woman. Now God will bless you. Almost the same thing when I won't talk. When I talk for the matter of Sister Meg with Rita, almost the same thing. Now the woman still talk. Say now when Meg dey that side, now it be the problem when Rita with Meg get. Just the woman don't just want to say make it talk forward. You not just want to make it continue the talk. She waiting I talk. Now almost the same thing that woman talk. That is how to know who is honest. If you want to insult me, not be a no gay platform. Only say that no gay platform, we go use and take toto. Udi when you know that best or aha. We will use a no gay platform take toto. Tree where aha build house put. You know, now everybody go there. Now we go they call him. If you insult me, I insult you. You they Chris? You they mad? You don't know your mates. Supposed to know your mates. I look like your mates. Now make God they insult for no gay platform. You they Chris? He say some people don't stay for Facebook. It's 7 years. They not blow for Facebook. Now today, what you want make me blow? Wait till you take blow for Facebook. Come and tell us what you used to blow. Let's see. Wait till you take blow today, not be the cost will follow you. Wait till you say you take blow today, not be the cost will follow you. Who knows you? Where they for knows you? Now don't cyber space. Now they knows you. You be Orionba. If you they call people, they might benue. Not be they talk about they say that they gossip you. What did they blow? Come. I don't carry my community down because they short. I don't carry the king of my place. Come. Because they use their great-great-great-grandfather, great-great-great-grandmother. Because they use that they collect money. I be say, where for they come for Ishan land, they don't get story. There is no state in Edo State that don't have story. Go Afema side. They will tell you the story of Afema. Go Ogbo, go Aunchi. You think say, now only Benikidon get tradition of their forefather. Their whether their mothers, their grandmothers. Then, as you can't say, you be witch. That witch, when you carry a corn, when you don't favor you. Oh, the Satan that called when he can't go meet you. How are you with the Satan te waka? The Satan betrayed you. The Satan betrayed you. The power when he say, make Satan give you, Satan collect him back. He goes the ordinary grant. Awalale. Go and ask for your story. You never see your story. If you go ask for your story, you will ask, I am a seer of Edo State. Yes. Now that you know, now me she they talk to for a no gay platform. Now me she they talk to. Now the truth, why if not see truth? You say you they talk truth. Orionba you they talk truth. What's another mwebok boy will tell do? Oh man, no wait time I mwebok bear. How can you be a soothsayer, a truth teller? I'm mwebok boy. Wa gwagwa wenu ya gwagwa na wa uri yeke. Not see you. Now me they talk to. As your age, I know they born again. You don't reach 48 or 49 years. See now for that they say you set fit approve for face say the small picky. We small picky. Now today enter abroad. Now today enter abroad. Eh? When if you be person when they true talk truth on your back, as you see that platform, you for talk say we know how the matter take on. Now me you won't come yourself for that. Say people don't spend several years for this social media. Man make a social media. Seriously? Now social media when I want make the money when make for social media bring and come. If you really make money in social media, you will not be hiding in darkness. You will show your house where you they live. You are welcome, my darling. Show the place where you live. When I they blow hook up, just back. How much? Una they even see view, sef. When I they do hook up, yes back. If I drop my this only one day, I don't get 50K view. Don't view one. Wait till you carry come when it don't ever favor you. How many times that I say everybody don't cry? You all cry for Facebook. I'm we bok boy. Una we hian gan. Una we hian gan. Ya bien, not can they say that they come here ganoma bien. That they come here ganoma bien. What they were ganoma bien. No man, my darling. Everybody pregnant woman, they call Facebook. The time when they roll up and down for this thing. When me viewer, when me can't go see aye kuye ya Tony we kuye uwagwa. 1K don't already they view me. You know? Now be you key. What do they call her? Niger wash. Not be you. Use your winch. Not be you use a tape spoil Niger wash. Niger wash is for everybody. Aganoma bie Orionba. he can't use 600 to buy Naja wash. And now you 600 you draw Naja wash near body. You go take where to wear fiao. If you are not baby go because you manage school. When you see an intelligent man, everybody they use until they touch body small. Any intelligent man when he dey village, even the next village go say, that teacher when he dey that village, I beg, go help us carry call and come. You get what he go do for us. Did you know that there is some people in village, if elderly men of that village, if they go Oba Palace now, they go carry no book, follow body go, so that waiting that they talk, that one go they write am. You go come explain that to them better. Hi, how you dey? Good evening. As he don't enter, as he come enter, he come meet us say, Naija wash, he dey with us. You can't use 600,000 now you dey on our way you dey Naija wash. And the 600,000 when you give Naija wash, now people donate the money for her. People not donate the money for her, and you go no read and yes again. Do you ever work? A retired prostitute. Abi oye big agia. No, so we will not get vanda. We will not get follow. We will not get follow. Bini. We will not get follow. Now be the people tell me go do igbe agia. Igbe agia mami go mami omo. Ine o. Awa mi omo ye latia awo krika if you no ya okrika. Okrika. Anyway, mama say that woman be like this thing Pakistan juju. He said be like Pakistan juju. I said, oh mommy go. Ogbawa mona we gbe we go work bello. Now me you they use you direct what they talk to for your bad platform. You they learn. You know the truth. I even say it there say Rita not they follow make the quarrel again. She don't talk her mind. When that woman talk her mind, it don't finish. Now me, yeah, you want come put for Rita mind. Now today, now Rita know me for Facebook. You are welcome, my darling. How you day? I'll see you later for mama's side. You got wagati magano mapie. Wagati magano mapie. Wagati magano mapie. Emi na uwe. Ari melugawa. They cry. Your tears help. Ogbowo mo. They done. See your life now. Your life is begede. You don't thief it, you get money. Your life is not begede. But today you dey cry for us. We not send you, make you cry for yourself. Sit down here. I'm gonna buy really. Pikin don't they give me food they chop. They zuzu. Oh man, no way, but so why now? But see when you both die, live now. This woman, I say, not be the juju when they swear for them that year. Not be only that one they worry ambo. You are welcome, darling. Not be only that one they worry ambo. That time when effect come, now so effect do. The woman wait for it can late come. That's what she's doing now. Now the same thing the woman still do. Now the woman die for loneliness. He die for loneliness. Now kill that woman. The woman now like this. Now like this, the woman come to the waka. They ostracize her. He was ostracized. Now so they waka. See, anybody you see say they waka like this, no say they call someone pork bear. Now so the woman when you follow when he come for so. Now so they fed a swear for her. When the woman fed their life, then he can't recandidate. They can't still swear for her. They use the life that they play. Oh. She just play with the life. She don't know say she don't they go be that. They say if banana they spoil, you go toss say they fine. Or till before you go reach market, you go come dark. You know, see, how many live video presenter you go see say they go choose this to take cover their hair? Hey, you are well done, my personal person. You they come Facebook, come they talk. E can if you ban agua, of ye do agua beba. What doing? What doing? E can if you ban agua in your J, in your J that tower. Where king children day of ye do agua mama mwe bogbe. The other day, Mama say you want play. This I tell say no, Mama, no player, no, Mama, no player. Now so I tell Mama say no player, no want hear his voice. She got a feel say now she know how to talk past. You they talk. Where town? Where town? You know what? It should be to say, you John yes get we go for there. You go Benin City. You go they do gabu oh, gabu gabu oh. You want to collect this buga baby for Meriado's hand. You know say na Meriado's na be buga mama. She want to carry buga for Edo State. I dey do you now. I dey do you. All your mates when you first the enter live video, all of them they go Nigeria, they do party. You don't see Mama Susie. Now don't they go out your party? You don't see her. You feel enter there again. You don't feel enter there. The day when I will see ready now, I will go. You see me do not buy ye. At the man everywhere man. Uruni yasi wana wa mieme oh well, I do I can give more bottle. They say all the stiff for some market carry and go back. Another person go see what you thief. You not see your life. See, go tie picking pampers at this time. Your mate they tie their children pampers. Your mate self. Normal mi omo bie. Normal mi omo bie wena. As your age be so. Now woman when you find pikin. Now they born for this age when you dey so. It not be now you want the beginning of looking for children. God no quick bless them with children. So say 15 years, 20 years, 10 years. Now they born by this time for your age. You husband has to not let you go. Born, you not born. How can a 48 years old woman see they do boyfriend? Ha! You do go basha? As I don't be so. I had a do boyfriend. No picking, nothing. No money, no picking. You go river. Nothing. Where you going, Arabia? Where here? You know when I started to born my children? Now 20-something years now there when I started to born. 20-something years. Not be 30 years I did when I started the born. Where oh, this thing. What? Right here. Oh. This woman under say egg. They disappear. Now say they just stay. All the old egg when just there your body ya waffle. You know? When I go do check-up for my this thing, the doctor tell me say if I will reach 55 years, I will still dey born. Say I get plenty egg. Say so women get where they go reach, they no go get egg for their body again. And little egg, 9 con day. You know, salon, you wake up every year, 911 take the salon. I wish I know how to do that chigum now. Me go with chigum very all, and so I take the chew. That's what we're doing. Gino se no ba wa blessed can no say we was no kwafo kpo. Yeah, mate, they use their own to bring fruit of the womb come out. You not go meet disgrace. Make disgrace give you fruit of the womb. I can't tell you where you now. Why you? I mean, I know they your mom bokan. Oh man, no, you more bok we money. Every more boy ya be womb. Make that womb make it go bring children come. So that if the womb can't bring children come, now they near be your mom. If you know, if now dog now you born now. Born dog. No. Huh? No. You not got the one way they just the Facebook, just the chat. Monica! Monica! Monica, 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 oh, Monica, Monica, oh. Monica, your children don't grow finish. One don't complete 18 years that day. Sit down before you know. The boy where he did. When you put for your head like agolo of this thing all in there. Before you know now, the boy go reach 18 years. You sit down from there, you bonishele. I met when you enter Facebook, all of them don't born children. They don't born children. Children, sis. I met when they Facebook. All of them don't born children. Sit down from there. Some of them get better for this Facebook. Bro. See this woman now. What? That one don't get better now. Eh? Sarah T-Boss, that one don't get better now. Before you go know, it don't born. A lot of live video presenter. They born. Congratulations. You get better. You get one makeupper. Since when the guy starts live video, now 2 times now she don't born. 2 times. You dare they shut up and down. They can't return. I mean, you want to. I tell you, sir, they make money for Facebook. Eh? And they sell things for Facebook. They in the darkness. Be wallowed there and die there. Buy for darkness. Huh? That day, in fact, they thought that one because say, if there is the time when they say they choose for football, they're not going to choose you. Eh? My people, who no book with they fail for school? No book. Now they fail. No book. Oh, where go back. I was saying, I can't do it. I say, leave there. That thing, nyama talk, maybe you find where carry and go. I look and say, don't they pay you? The boy they play football. Eh? They give money cannot kill married generation. Now use the insult person picking. I gonna have be a insult monosolia. Oh! Now come to now. You want to talk so you they talk. You know they talk for where they. Your pikin go play football. I can't do it. Football now waiting. You practice. And when you practice it, you are used to it. When you are used to it, it's your talent. No matter how the enemy go do rich. This is computer world. Even witch self, they don't they blast. Witch now they use iPhone 14 Pro Max. You know? Witch. She herself go even the talk, or he herself go even the talk. So which kind of witch they fly self? This for when I carry, so no be person do one. If you tell me that I got to look at when just they talk, I got to look at sometimes. I'll say, oh, I mean, okay. They don't get now or it's a ballona or a tie. You can't not die. You can't not die. Oh, look away now. Oh, where we now? I say, now you're there. I can't die. Where woman, where me, where woman. I can't die. No woman, no woman. I say, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Soccer. which not there for soccer. You don't see Nigerian people when they play football. You don't see Angola say, Nigeria, when you come here, we got to beat you woto. Nigeria, they put them for one corner. One's not. Nigeria give them nuts, make them go break it. Nigeria say, no, we cannot break this nut for you. You guys take it, break it, share it, and eat it. Go, you know, go is what drink Gary. If you not get Gary. Our brothers, Cameroon, they talk. Nigeria come. They carry Cameroon say, Watago. Cameroon come out. Why Cameroon wish you not say make Nigeria not play ball? Oh, nah, this thing. Nah. Oh, nah. Oh, nah, what can in the room? When the room boan. What's a woman in the room? A room makase in English. Mugu. Mugu, when they use all those cheap articles, material, then they so-called they wear like zingere. I mean, they talk to like bear. Why you not talk true for them? If you are a true teller, who wear honor, I give honor, I come honor. Who are wear Rita, no teme, my wife no wasunu, why you gui, area tao. That me that speak the truth now. You think people don't know that I spoke the truth? I spoke it. Now say 155K that I go carry Igbo, una pikin can. If you see this Maggie, you go press am for the pikin nose. If you see this McLean, you go put am for the pikin mouth. You tell the pikin make close mouth like this. If you see this Iyore, you go drop am for the pikin body. I say, I almost shell for Mugeni Iyore. She use Igbo woman pikin to play finish. She go carry and go give you now. Ayomoku amugeni Iyore. Where the pikin today? Aramoshi amugeni Iyore sao. Arayamoku amugeni Iyore dome. Arayamoku amugeni Iyore. Oyobayamoku fo amugeni Iyore. Oyobayamoku fo amugeni Iyore. You know how to sing? I bear, mommy, you are well done. You can't say, Kate, see your children. You see this because Kate now can't get those children. If you like, let Barapata chop the children. Let Sanzako chop the children. She have a bit, she don't have. She get 4 children. You not even get 1 eye. Maybe they talk say, we'll go buy glass for the second eye. Now before that they pit you, now they don't pit you now again. Now you can't take it say, Evina ulu Evina. You are no, let me talk to the Chris. Avant boya, Oswa. You don't know it, mate. If I say I know they do some guy again, me say me can't play for my district. After the young going now, Papa, you don't ever see where Uzo go play for where John use chest he don't put. Okay, go on, Rebecca. You will see your head for inside bag. That's what they say, Kate. Press this, see this thing. Now they press on the picky head. They press on for your nose. I can't look and say, I go see. When you use the picky play finish, you'll go give her to the owner. As you use the picky play finish, not go give her to the owner. We that have brain, we go know the way when you go take end. True. You use picky play finish, you go give her to the owner. See shoe when the picky they wear. See shoe when the picky they wear. Come here and show you where my children pack shoe put. The rest women, when they insult their children, make they show you where they pack children shoe put. Oh, where you go? I'm a size 1, size 2, size 3, size 4, size 18, 16, 20, 25. You know, so you know there. They don't see picky stock is for inside your house. Agbona, what change? U saruka se varianu si edu kianve se variana. U soifo ne. U sefo. Ah! No, I told you. They can. You know they hide your face. You see they call. Time when you take they follow Facebook bumper to bumper. Go they use and take fuck. Go use and take fuck. Oh we go Greece not dead to two again. Greece not there. Oh why I want no fertilizer. Oh my fertilize. Are you one the only way? Mama, when I say, as that woman be, you say, why no fit born? I say, now get the way roti. Your pikin go play football. You know the time when they go choose her. They not go choose her. Pikin when they play football, everything when they do, na email, through email, na they pass. Na you, na the coach go give, make it go give him mama. I don't say Monica, that one still the zuzu yo. Now you, the coach go say, oh, your ba, I beg, take this thing.
Can I put it on my phone?
You want your phone?
Yes.
Don't let them see you, eh?
Okay.
Huh? On a call, work there. Huh? I heard they make money for. Open the day, say they make money for Facebook. They tell when they do hook up at the run. At the run. For hook up. Money they follow at the run. Busy too much. About where you say we're making where you go like that. We're making money go that by. Your men, they come. Play. People dash them money. People do dash me money. I give it out. Without I'm not shouting on social media. Without I'm not come sit down. Go carry hair or farianusi. Muyumu. Go there. Oh, when they had sunu. You see, now don't see the way when it meant to be. No, they are being a sunu. No, you are not beru way. Where I got, I got boba. Huh? Sit down for there. You know they even can't wait till your mate take pass you. Go meet God. Can't wait till they worry you. You know, you forget to count your blessing one by one. Count your blessing one to go. No, whatever. You know they can't. You sit down. I don't even know how I take to enjoy life, self. Huh? How you take to enjoy your life? What do you enjoy? People enjoy. See people when they don't find children, when they marry, when they don't find children, all of them they with children. Go Nigeria now, 60 years old women now that they born when that time when this modelized system never expire. Go Nigeria, you know, modelized system. If you don't want to carry pikin by yourself, somebody can help you carry it. Huh? If you want to do IVF, you can do IVF. This one just mumu de Facebook, it just the fool itself. Or they talk to me. Huh? They talk to me, they talk to you. Don't know your mate. Look me very well. I resemble your mate. Huh? People when they talk to that day, this person, Princess Abana me fait quand il fait dans the talk. Princess Abana me warine. Where mon pas. When everybody go come out now, go they follow children, they play for inside house. You go come sit down after you do live video finish. Ou a kill live video here. Ou myon manu beore. Ou biti no more. Ou one more just more chop. Test it. There is no pepper. Test it. Error. Me would they use and me I they tell you now. So that you will go fire, you will take bon. Go bon. Maybe you carry a con. Maybe Junior Orionba. Maybe bon Junior Orionba. When they call you, because mommy, why are they calling you? Oh, where auntie I'm with Bob will Ted do. What bell? Done. Eh? Done. Now, me, I want to go tell the do Yamanyama for a no gay platform. When my good way again, ya, Orion Bawe he. When my year, he never see clear for you. Are you see the dream? No worry. If this year finish now, you can't see crack, huh? Either they were there, yeah. How can somebody be in European world? You go they cry. Huh? Huh? For Europe. for Europe. If you really need that pikin, Oyibo go help you do am. This one, nothing. What she want do am with? Igbo man talk say Igbo for Igbo. Orionba go born for am. Una don see where Orionba go put am. He got your room for Orionba house. Or he with Orionba supposed to dey sleep for the same room. He get your room for Orionba house. Oh, agbon we jonare ah. Agbon na here. Oh. Ah. Oh, I told me they pity you. Now you come Europe come do akuna. Eh? Igbiagia. You not see money bring come for Igbiagia. You not still born. Some people they'll say they don't need things again. God give me picky. You not still feel born. If you can't come I'm not why you giving, why you're not giving. What of you when they saw children? Eh? What of you when they saw children? Eh? Ah, I'm a you go die for one Richard restaurant house. Now there die put. Only I na mo ya mo for Wivo Forest. Ona we read no we wu na. Awu ekaya ije na dewe boy na wu wa bere we po ye carry o wa he. She don't already know her fate. What about your bag go house? Which music they want to see for you? Oh, your bag wo, I am de. Oh, your bag wo, I am de. Where they want go bury and put? Oh, where are we? At least we were. Are we at least we were? Oh, eh? Yamu Bomes, Kubaba. Ugbaba ma oriri pe ire yo tede o America wukwere you hear na eh the drink when they shock you that time you know they drink the akpege she go drink finish you know they say I thought they do this thing that time I don't look at one certain time say who could be this idiot you know what did this thing about this? Now say, I say, you go horse hunt. On the horse hunt, white here, imelu hunt. I bala nyoye ko unza. I mean, they use it directly to the turtle. I bring my children. When I started this my video, my first daughter said she was 15 years. 15. I think it's 15. She was 15 years. Wait. Let me count it. She was 15 years. 15, 14. Yeah. When? I think my daughter had already did 14 years when I started my live video, I'll be 15. Now she's 20-something years. 22 years. My boy will call. It's still small. My second daughter will call. It's still small. Not be Facebook, not be you for know me. You know me for Facebook, but you dey hear children voice talk. Children don't grow. For Facebook, now people will say, maybe the day when I will say, let me show my children. People say, mama, see how these children come big. Those small children, then see how they come big. You know, see, for that 7 years, they're big. For that 7 years, people born children. Where your children? For that 7 years, when you enter Facebook, where your children? Where your children? You never see born can reach this time. You know, they shame. They shame. Ya mwene boy oh. Okay, now, this 2024. Now they break for your eye. When people don't they come on for saga, now you enter saga. You not see that way say, he like saga, no come out me for this saga. They say me they don't come out for saga, now you enter saga. They say why you not go YouTube again? When market key Yoruba people, they go, they hawk share butter for inside market. Now, Facebook, because they say, yeah, Manika. Now, today, that our children, you know, she said that they cook beef for kitchen. Yeah, oh no, you they go carry Igbo piki con. Huh? They go carry Igbo piki con, because they show us, say, see the Igbo piki. See the Igbo piki. I look and say, this one. And only she. I see woman when they say in marry Oyibo, Oyibo no with property giver. Oyibo no with the property giver. Wanna answer? Where the property Oyibo will give you if the Oyibo get house? Where the property? I have seen your mates. Your mates when they marry Oyibo, their Oyibo die. They are still in that white man house because they inherit the property. When you're not to go, they make noise for Facebook. Now they live fake life. Now let you know, I not see. Now let you wise. I see say there is nothing you both die live for you. No bicycle. No condemn iron. No motor when engine knock. You dey shout for face. You know the shame. So for your mind now, see say you dey live life. You dey live life. How you take they sleep safe? How you take they eat? You go enter your body. How you they eat? They mad. Ya beer, where your papa too. Junior Orioba, go and bone. Ya beer, or masse, no, not dog bikuyebo. Or bikuawebo. If you use a crater so close, you call the guba. I'll say, see this one. Illiterate. One room where this woman dey, whether na ground they put cloth, I don't know. No wardrobe. Now bed they there with television. Fine. In the afternoon, you go there inside that one room. He will wake up in the morning, you go there inside that one room. In the evening, you go there inside that one room. A woman that spent 20-something years in abroad. Now one room, now she see they sit down put. No city room. They go city room. No kitchen. She know they cook. Oh, she's an outcast. Yeah, that is how outcast be. She's an outcast. I remember. No, the outcast, they don't participate with people. She's just trying to participate with people on social media. Half caste. That is the life she's living now. You really show us, say, she be Ogian Agboya. You really show us that is she's living an outcast life. Yeah, an outcast life. Now they live. So now so they take the truth they live. Now because we not dey Naija. Oh! Wakona Oduma. Wakona. Wakona. You dey mad. They go dark now. All your mate now they enter kitchen go cook for their children. Where you dey enter? You dey inside. Go find how you go take bone. No, they come they use and take the robbers. Go find how you take bone. Don't go and boire bieje. Yes. If now if you want go do one. If now Obigbo, they say now Obigbo not be Obigbo 40. Obigbo don't forgive women belle. Okay, why she not born for Igbo house? Why she not born? One live video presenter say, "Unu yare, you know, na wow, we that. No yare, I'm go your own on our fake. I marry when they do. Find how you go do one. Your mate they bring children come out. They'll say the time when I start live video. 7 years ago when I started to watch you, now that time get belly. I don't born reach 3 times now. So say they don't born reach 2 times. So you know, no, nothing when you feel do what we a no one. Or mammy neck bear, or bone or mammy neck boy. It's a pity that this is how you end up your life. all those things that you were doing there, you think say if you go fool yourself finish, I will say, no be, no be say they ostracize this woman, this woman, she for go at those stage, she go sit down for new road, ring road for there, she go use umbrella to sit down for there. Now that thing we won't do. Now waiting, the person when he come, when he retaliate come, whether not retaliate come, and I saw that one fair be. You want when I go act bolele. I want make people they praise and make people they clap for. And I saw that woman fair just take by. Now so she can't do. You know she see the end. When she fair come, she no survivor. Instead of her to remove hand, she can't say she won't try again. Oh, now they eat her back. If not, I will say, well, that one we can know ourselves. If I know evil, nobody for evil know ourselves. If not, this woman, if you reach Binigo, they shout, they go for street. Oh, I saw here. She like this thing, fantasy. She like fantasy, die. She like, and she know she they always like to do fantasy. And this one, you know, they ram with her. You know they ram with her. You know they ram with her. You don't see your life. You don't see the way you contain your life. All the whole life video presenter. When they start live video, when you first they start, all of them now, they will go Benin. They will go Nigeria. They will go Edo State, Benin City. They go there, they go there live. You go now. You don't stay for video for years. You go. Pikin for several years when they do Facebook, you don't see wetin break come out. You don't see money break come out. You don't see Pikin break come out. Orion Bar of Paris. People don't see they go Nigeria now. Live video presenter now don't see they go Nigeria. No say they go Nigeria. They go Edo State, Benin City. We marry yejo. We mother ye kiogbu we disgrace where you say Facebook. What do you get? You not born for after many years for social media. Your mates don't born. Follower when they follow you don't born. Commenters don't born. Your fellow live video presenters or don't carry belly, they don't born. You who might be 7 years for Facebook. You go no me. Amamigo. You are still living in one room with Owanoko Wigbo. Who's war? They crazy? Tell that baby people when they do say you know they learn how to talk. Go now, go Benin. Me the day when I go sit already now, I just see go Benin. I go sit down for my compound. Benin when the rest live video presenter they go and they pay now for body. You say, hey, I will say now they Benin like this. Because she always they like, she will want me if I do the something. She will want me use her take pa people go back. Make she do the something. Now waiting she do for where Naija wash day. She tried to buy Naija wash with 600,000. As I'm waiting, Naija wash do for her. We give her 600,000. Now land the follow and buy. When she can say she get money, she get Orion buy estate. She not get that one when they show now for Lagos. Not be she get her. They just they use and take the job people. Now that Igbo man when they use that to take the job people that time. When this person come out to come. And Naija was not to say no, you don't get anything na math na you dey. She was trying because when Naija was, and then you see all your live video presenter, Naija was now you dey with all. When you comes to pick live video and take it to YouTube, na Naija was now they block at that time. He go call you, you know. Then when he reach his body, see amo, may I cut out for you. Before Naija was come to you, you don't confess serious. That Monica when they follow do saga, she don't first see Monica before she see you. May I cut the live video presenter when Naija was fed a blog a video before e can't reach your tongue. Eh? You see me, you come meet me, that I never come meet you. Monica, Lolo, Demonoge, social media president. The people when I know, them stainless. I think Mama Gladys also, something like that, yeah. I think one certain time Mama Gladys come tell us say not to carry video again. When it passed through those people, we never buy it to ourselves. Naija wash, we not buy Naija wash to ourselves. I mean, you think say we not get 600,000 we want give Naija wash. Now abroad, now we day. Now any way they try they make money for abroad. You go everywhere, we not buy them. As you can't reach your turn now, you can't buy Naija wash. You think say Naija wash, eh? Now you get the word. You think say Naija wash, now you get this app. The way when we take reach this app, now so Naija wash take reach. The way when you take reach this app, now so Naija wash take reach the app. You were so foolish. You thought that you are intelligent person. You never knew that you are a moron. I you use 600 to buy Naija wash. When you were saying it, we are for blame Naija wash. I say I blame Naija wash. Naija wash no say no buy with him. Naija wash was still busy staying there with you. Not because they start say a 600,000. I didn't need Naija wash. Why do you give Naija wash 600,000? Did Naija wash help you to buy land or anything? What did help you do? Nothing. You can't use and take buy Naija. You want draw Naija wash come her side alone. Upon us she purge. If that was a mama saying, say if this woman no dey YouTube today. You go say, eh? Now so this life be. I said, no, so it be. Where you now? Where are you? In a way, now so you can't be like one moment when you remain for yourself, but when you don't tire everybody. You go through away and put water for inside the soup. Do it together, go through away and put for itiku. Now so you can't be. You demand. Say you don't take for this thing. When they see YouTube, see Facebook, people were eating. Even now, people make money. Not be Facebook, therefore they make money. Which money they make for Facebook? Since when this month now, last month when it end, bring money when you make come out. Bring it out. If you now they make money. How can now they make money now see they beg? Eh? Making money, you are still begging. You people you're supposed to be giving out. Now you making money and they make 2,000 euro. How can somebody when they make 2,000 euro for Facebook, you will come see they beg? Where are they make the money? Eh? 5 star, 2 star. Eh? Give me 200 star. And you won't gather. Before month go end. How much? Eh? Where till you don't make? After 7 years, I stay for social media. And they arrange my things by myself. My children is with me here. They are and they arrange my things for Nigeria. I don't bring it on social media. Doesn't mean that I don't they do what my mate they do. I do what my mate do. I even do more than them. You know? Children, they there. One side I they build, I they do my own something for home. Another side I take care of my children. And another way I take care of myself. How many things do they control for your life? Nothing. You control nothing. You are just empty vessels. You just they make noise, they go. You where you do rich. This woman where that they saga that day, you still go beg that woman money. Call anybody, say you go come out, you go say lovely beg her money. You know they say lovely beg her money. You know they I don't beg money. I don't beg money. You don't ever hear. You don't ever hear say now so person come bring one audio come out. Come say now it be lovely they talk. Cause they talk one thing, or now we lovely, we can't talk, we can't cause quarrel, or now we lovely, because they argue one thing. No, I know the way I go out with people, especially you guys. When you there inside, the problem must come. Go born. All your mates, everybody with their live video. No one will be a guy inside. All the live video presenter. No one will be a guy inside. The one when they get belly, now they get belly, they'll soon born. You now. I beg, go born. Go born. Who people when they laugh you with them, they all they laugh you with them. After 7 years, when we don't see you, you they fuck. Aime ukigba umauhe. Aime uzalagba umauhe. We mave tire mweko. Mujeto je good 7 years. People when you do boyfriend self, they decide boyfriend, they don't born reach 3 times, 2 times. You're Eh? Now period they drop te. I saw period content they drop te. She now what you there, but now she go to tell Queen say, Queen, let the like molopause. Now say, see part the cocket to black. I laugh. I said, seriously? You don't born? When they advise Queen? Now wow, see me see wahala. Queen, before your blood will come, they drop, now say, now wait till they put to us, so now they take Queen. Queen never see period for your, see her period for your present. Not be all they drop like that, you don't they dry. Now you come the reason say, now so, this person you'll be, now so Queen you'll be. You don't see yourself. Awalale, they mad. If you want to talk to me, come and talk to me. And when you talk to me boldly, I will come still talk to you, no rich, on your body. And when you talk to me direct way, I will come and talk to you boldly because you know rich. I can go over your background. I know it will be you don't bath. You are just a little old fool. You don't bath. C'est pas pour. No get wetin they control. Nothing when they control. No root three children at your age. A Bible wa ye gwa lo mo wa. Ipo wa if your money. You no married, they say they find pikin. Owa border. Owa ya ma. And a 40-something years old woman. For this is not a woman I wear or one or kabie. This woman never born. You just carry load, just go stay my house. Ha! Oh, I told me. You don't use age of 40-something years. You know what? Tell me, say you be 26 years old, or 27 years, or 30 years, or 37 years. No, you are 40-something years now. You did so. How can a 47 years old woman, see they do boyfriend? Nobody say you don't feel married before. They'll say you don't born with the husband no day again. Okay, now you get this boyfriend. You will let person they hear. She now, Now wow, some people cause not good for body sha. All those things when they do and so not be ordinary eye. A bunny a one mugbe. And her boyfriend she they do by this time. No be even husband. No be even single mother she they do. They'll say she don't born a single mother she they do now. Then boyfriend will come they greet her. They go even know she not they do single mother. She no marry. She no born. What is she they go they do for this community? What if people want see for your body? Where person want to learn? I don't understand. As I don't be so. Yeah, I'll just say, I'll just pluck 47 years, 48 years, 46 years. I not marry. I not be single mother. Then who I can be? I just be like somebody now wa mufua. Emi na wa abandon. Oh, why you emi na wa abandon? Who wa mekere nya obi gboye vie kiane? Oh, we go not the veer care for I go. We go my we carry this I'm come on for here, it don't tire. I be up with your and you say me carry up to come on for there. I say it don't tire. On a dinner run on a dinner quite be almost a minute or a week call me. Oh, go see the insult person picking instead of to go think what it day like. Me, I they tell you now. I be that person when be say if person not born, I know they use until they laugh. But you for inside, go and born. If you feel they count people years, Google see they count your years for you. When you not take me top for this life? Yes. Your mates, when all of us come that time, some people carry 2 years pikin come, 4 years pikin come, 5 years pikin come, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, 11 years, 13 years, 14 years. We carry them, we carry all of us get children for inside house. Who get belly, all of them. Their children don't big. Eh? Your own now, you not get. Then, after we know you for 7 years, nothing you feel carry come out. You don't feel carry children come out. You don't feel carry money come out. You know if you go bini. Tiriti, you don't feel carry children come out. You don't feel carry money come out. Where your whole community, you don't feel enter. Why you they talk? Why are you talking? They mad. They zuzu, you they crazy. I know your mates. Eh? Then what are you doing? What is your goals? Oh well, these are my goals for that 7 years. Where is your goals? You not there. Now Facebook view. Now you they can't. Facebook view. When we say my sugar figure they do something, they go this thing. What they call it? The figure press and figure off. Making you don't go be that. Facebook view. Facebook view. Who they see view pass? Who not they see view? Who don't make money for Facebook? Who don't make money for Facebook? Now they talk. But there is some people, they are not doing live. They are not even doing YouTube. They make money, they do things. Now only Facebook, they bring money. Now only to call they craze for Facebook. Now therefore they make money. Some people, they do sell hair in Facebook. They sell things in Facebook. Make somebody doctor say, this cream, this your face, see the way when you take cream. Which cream you they use? Let me just miss my cream for an hour. Tell say na 100 or post and go give. And if you use and see say the cream fine, you go the friend will say, I see your face, so see as your face fine. You say, I'm a woman when they do this, yo. Now you introduce the cream for me. You spend 7 years for social media. After you left Facebook, you went to YouTube. You from YouTube come with ordinary hand. You come social media with ordinary hand. What did you achieve? Nothing. Money, you not achieve. Children, you not achieve. Best friend, you don't get. Husband, you not get. Boyfriend, you not get. Now only Igbo put you for house. Give you one room. Can you imagine somebody when say Oyibo, they say Oyibo die leave house for her. First thing when Oyibo should die leave house for her. She was living in that place, when the white man was alive. She was living there. She now feel live for that place. You go find fabrica what they work for. They make you change a new life. Find man. Or make go find Oyibo. Carry Igbo, they deceive yourself. Igbo when don't born finish. I bet if you want Sagami, carry one of Igbo pikin come. But you can use and take Sagami. If you use and Sagami finish, you get pikin will come carry and come out. I don't want to find Mujeni Boy work bear. Oh, your bad time. Will be no mama. Nonsense. They crazy. You don't know your mate. Where now people when you feel say they come out that they look you. Now people when they don't know what it be fashion. You are just ridiculous. Go and get a life. Go and born. Go and look for where you will get children. Some women that is looking for children, they are not after this kind of life you are living. They focus on it. Where before this year go end, or not too much before this year go end, they must use their belly to carry pikin. And they must born the way when the Hebrews women they born. Now true. No, because they form pity me. Who they pity you? You feel pity yourself. Where him will one born or you dey pity yourself. You not carry your mark, come on, go to insult Edo State. You go insult Benin finish today. Tomorrow you will go insult Isha. Another day go insult Benin. He bullying both Benin and Isha together. But the Benin people never knew that. Now what did they do? Because that time all of them feel say what she was saying, she was doing the right way. When she bully Benin finish, she go use Isha and top her. When she bully Isha finish, she go come Benin. She go bully Benin finish, she go come go Isha. That time she go the test on Isha when they grow for Benin. That's something for Isha. How you can't say, maybe this person say, but they not bomb me for Isha. Now Benin there for bomb you. I don't remember the story again. She was just looking for story. One day, and I am a bog bene. I am a bog bene. Your banner. Now you want to call her say, one village for Isha land. They want give you this thing. Where did they call her? Chief, they want give you chief. Now some people they say, no go, make them not go kill you. Give you chief for where? For Isha land. Who one of you pe jedo. Aki chief in here for Isha land. Where it be they hungry this woman? The meat will be they hungry, Hunter go bush call 20 times. They not go see the animal key. They don't see the animal key. Now, that is what she was doing. She go bully Benin finish. The next time she go enter Isha. I go just dey look her. I say, until your people know. The day when your people go know, they will know say yes. That's what she was doing. Bully Isha finish. If you see say you don't see topic again, it will come Benin. If you don't see do for Benin, do. If you see say don't see this, you go Isha. You know they say, if you be Isha, you dey wash me, call in. If you be Isha, you dey wash me, call in. Today, Uka, Isha people know they call you again. Work, bear. Mama, good evening, how you dey? Unshakable mama, good evening, ma. All of one born marry. Unshakable mama now, or you boy marry. If I come on now, see big man. You know when you talk of guys, big guys when you get. No, you boy marry. Oh, you boy now marry. You stay for Facebook. But one more. They can't people when get you. They can't people when not get you. They can't who don't stay for 12. We don't stay. Me, I don't stay 7 years for social media. Social media, I know they collect money. I know they beg money. When I don't ever say I don't put my number for social media, they beg money. I don't beg money. People don't dash me money. Now some people they give money. They'll say, Mama, that thing when you say you want to put her. You are welcome, my mommy. How you do? All of them don't born. For 7 years, you go YouTube. Go spend almost 5 years for YouTube. You go spend almost 5 years for YouTube. She come up for YouTube, come Facebook. Now Monica song. Now she tell they go. Monica, mama genanya Monica, mama genanya Where ya be? Now we genonya I also know be actual aga. You go born. If you get belle now, nobody go even ask you who give you belle. If once you just get belle now, they'll say, oh, your pa get belle. Nobody go ask you who give you belle. Nobody. If you like, maybe say, nah, devil, I give you belle. Bona. So far, it be like human be. No. You they come they can me the tato. Is that don't spend 7 years. When Facebook be Facebook, we know they say, give me star, share. No, we know they say share. Now people they come, Mama, I better find woman for me. Oh, I mean no know. And my father will say, okay, no worry. To find woman, if you find woman, the woman you go use money to touch your hand. The man will still use money to touch your hand too. Even sometimes the man go even pay for himself with the woman. The woman go say, my sister, I will give you, no worry. I can't get double money for there. Double. That one na raw. Not be I'll come first come they get headache. I don't come first get headache before I get. That was cool money. We are fine, thank you. God bless you for this. Oh, what can not be put the praise her now. Praise her now. Very bad. She no get no, she not go ever get. She not go get. No me they talk to. She said I just spent 7 years for Facebook. Now tell her say when are they come? I carry children come. I carry children enter Facebook. They don't grow finish. My daughter asked my daughter just now. I tell my daughter how old are you? My daughter say 14 or 15. You know remember again. She's 22 years now. Even my little boy when he danced that time for Facebook. If you see him now, he don't big. What do you bring come? But you count the blessing when you carry come. And the blessing when still there with you today. No one when they can't follow you. Ah, God we Rose. Good evening, how you doing? No blessing when they can't follow you. Come count your blessing. You go YouTube. You not make money for YouTube. You done yesterday when you carry come. Or say when you work, but you give me. No ya so. Monica, don't come out for you. Oh na mukmo ya gwere nyana. Now we oh viens. Now so they use clock cover. Now we why they use clock cover? You they share. You say they fool yourself. The disgrace when you collect last year, everybody woto. She won't go disgrace at those states. At the end of the day, the disgrace come back for you and woto. You come they cry. Oh. Viens. I want to go. Oh bono hamu bokuta. Omwenya. Nahi Obalaria. Yawa waena. Ogeme chepa. Iwe na waena. Nahi well, no see Obono wo hamu bokuta. No mwenya. Oh. Why must one may your soul rest in perfect peace? Oh, Bonumu Hankuta. When you view. Yeah, when my mammy on my beer, or Pierre on my beer. Worry, best one of for your back who you help. Huh? It's best as someone for your power. You go see this account your power in the Germany. Would you face? I'll be waiting the corner. You know what they give that one joy children when you born. Now they give that one joy. If not, we no they pay and you mean or you no more me now. If it go the one that one, they'll say enemy of a dope palace enter house. That's what that they call her. So they people don't know the meaning of Orionpa. Slave enter house. Now, so, if they come call Uji monkey face, you come do like this. I don't curse, yeah. I know they curse. I go school. I say, The time when you dey salon, how many years ago? 5 years ago, or 4 years ago? We now see school when you go. And now you don't see the repercussion. Now you can't see school. Why that one self always away on take you wear me or no only or you just show for you monkey face. That one not just get happiness. Now me that one take start for this Facebook. I tell that one say where to work out back. Do I can't you go be slave of a those states. Now wait till I cost when I take cost and years back. And it never true take they call cost. Now say yes. You know see that one now the children when you bought the born for her. Now I made that one cause you know say it still they exist. I will say that one not get boyfriend, girlfriend. He don't marry, not get children. That one if I don't go commit suicide. Now so this Iyore will just day one day no wire gbegbewa. O wire gbegbewa. Obano kamu gbokuta umu no mwenya. Nahi Obano kamu gbokuta. Now they worry you so. I they worry you they crazy. You don't know your mate. You don't know your mate. You know when waiting your mate take pass you. They count 7 years. Lovely don't stay 7 years for Facebook. Now Facebook now they take off myself. Now Facebook now they do when are they do? You they mad. Where am you what talk? Where can I read my you say now barrister be this while you dey Chris. No your mate because I just come like this. When I start my video now, so I take the come. You even use I take do live video years back I say you know they choose waiting till they come out. Anything when you like, actually they wear till they come out. You should know that. All right, I don't have it, I have it inside a lot. You know? See your life. After 7 years now, people don't know you for 7 years when you afraid 2 men. 2 men. All right, one. Now you see the last person. You dey Oyibo house, you can't commit ore, on a bore. You can't commit adultery. He died now, Oyibo carry house, Oyibo carry the house. Will I give, what do you call it? They give unto charity home. Because the Oyibo no say, if the friend die Igbo ma. Also, useless woman. They crazy. You when don't come back for your life. You when not get joy. Now you talk and say, "Where my miyogo wala watu can't talk. Where can I talk? When where ya huwaria nusi? You can't be ya huwaria na. Who can't talk? Eve ba mat. Uto. Waya to nemi dama vombo. Okay. No yeah don't say it won't say. Okay, lie. You can't lie. You can't lie. I don't see what she get when she say she get. What do you get? What do you really have? I've never seen you with good things. I never see you with good things. Say you wear t-shirt now. T-shirt when you wear now, you worth 150 euro, even worth 70 euro self now. What you are putting on there, you put on the cheapest Accra. Cheapest Accra where you sell Momuyo. Are you serious? What do you all those gogoro when they put for neck, when you they buy for market for France? Are you mad? I been all those selecto boot when you they go carry for cheap shop. You they zuzu, you know where? Those mumu. Where you know they look the way they come out. You should look it very well. You are out of fashion. You are out. It's like you are. It's like you know this world. You are out of fashion. I don't even know the planet where you they live at this moment. Now this modelized world, you they live like that. Huh? What you carry on Facebook? My children, they don't grow finish. I don't grow finish. Since when I did this Facebook, now 2 people now don't celebrate. When they don't born, 2 people. Now don't celebrate. For this Facebook. When we were celebrating here. And media. You don't spoil. Neither they break on for you. Anybody when they say media. If they handle something when they spoil, you will not say that person not be better person. May God not let me they face something when they spoil for life. Marriage go spoil. Now me one set to and God forbid. Your boyfriend, you with your boyfriend, they quarrel, and me one set to and God forbid. Come now, congratulations of Abie or Meje. You gonna manu bien. You gonna walk bobia you gonna manu bien. You gonna walk bobia you gonna any meseto. Ave dioma ni ai gog. Ni ai say 60 years. Ni ai we fine woman give me. You dey say 60 years, you single. Are you serious? 60 years man single. 55 years man, you go single. 45 years man go single. When your mate there with wife for inside house with children. Una come na do piri so na life today. Na those why any na mugie we no come there. Ari anu si iri yakaya mui. We no come there mugie we no riane. I wait till $100, you take $100. Then wait dollar you will wear. Then wait dollar you will wear. Bring you tea for me, I go arrange. I not be something when don't already crash. Something when don't crash. I move where second I'm motonya. I when you moto yevana, I when moto no condemn yevana, I when no condemn izuwa. I'll go carry tear rubber. Emi no man I yellow, amugwe. I ni le runuwa. Well, when they run with that jolly keke senya, you from YouTube rock on Facebook. Hey, hey. She don't look like video now. She say she not see who is Saga go when he go say. And I go meet Monica. Now Monica he go meet that one. If you Saga not finish, you go carry children at house. They go cook beef chop with protector. You call. If you can't finish it the night, you go to clear your eye. Oh, Monica just give me water today. Oh, Monica, why you want more gear, man? That one when you dey insult, you no go enter inside go like me now. If you can't insult me now, I'll come enter inside house. If I finish for here now, they go chop at the jam. A mom now go try speak. Children say they no go chop at the jam. I say okay, me I want to chop my own. You see, oh, now you come they say, how can you leave YouTube? When me go with YouTube, when I YouTube, they have the Facebook. And Facebook is a saga space. Now saga like they do for year. YouTuber, you get one woman for America, they eat scrap. I was a live for $60,000. Now he say they make every year. You know where he make? You they make money for YouTube. Now you come Facebook, so you don't come back for YouTube because you come meet us on Facebook a day here. Me only one eye they look me. I enter house. I enter house. Nonsense. You sit down for there. Our children don't grow finish. Nothing you carry come. Or we go. If a week go carry another woman down now, lash her. But the woman go carry belly. You go miss a period. Where let me say period? Your mom let me say period. Damn. Oh, they party dead. A pad. Oh, yet to year. Oh, walwe pad. Where me we man party for 9 months. Yet to year we wire pad. Hello. Yet to year. Oh, wire pad every year. This month you always pad. Next month always pad. Another month always pad. And then they we wire pad. Yet to over 7 years. You don't use pad. Use. A pad where they say pad ya e biaka ni ave de na ni ave amie de. Work for le pad do ware France ya e na zon you work we gbe o e na gomu ye pint o. Orion pa lao we dey try. May you see or date yourself. Come on for inside pad. Come on for inside pad. Now we go there even they say with the fear may you make you not go carry belly. Now we would they say you don't if you do a better release for outside. Go say release for outside. Oh, who were that be ya beyo. So we may see they if they do kele wawa. You go take their honey, not put her for inside though. Before you honey go come out for inside, you don't already put her inside. Before you know, you say, I don't see honey. I tell you, say, me you know put her. You know, say, your man might die now. You know it now. So some follow honey come out. Oh, na oh, he waste man when I with a custard. Ha! Oh, waste man already. So you punya munwe won. Every year phone. Now go and take care of yourself. Yeah, take if you ever use it directly talk to me again, I'll come talk to you seke. Who could do? I want the party day. Maybe cheap one low. A cheap one low. Men no a party ni medenya so test 8 euro. Yeah, bye. I also see say they say carry 2 for 8 euro. They don't do sales. Even move. Okay, that gbe ya maybe na cheap one like they buy. I no make am no say na money they spend. Spending on your neck, we no raveki. Where we mweko nya for 9 months nya a party where you there cause a mina A pad in a customer, and your mother de pad, I walk by him, wherever we are, dead be ya. Every month. Oh, yes, a month. Oh, you like, maybe later now you go to use tissue paper. Where go for over 7 years for Facebook. Now pad, now you see they use, not the way not they use pad. I bet change pad. If you change pad, you don't get belly be that. Where they beer, or where they agbe football. I ale runa. I could go ale runa. Eh, she. A dead be or what they pad or what they pad or egg pad you walk where. You never see Toto and I say they Toto ya beer. Me now me talking lovely eh ikyo ya. If you like where your more or more bewokan walking here, go and born. Go born. Where they are good go one there, who we are good boys there. If you make they talk, you go see they talk. No be say you just reach 47 years, I be 48 years. Still they do boyfriend? Are you serious? She go come say she dey advise person. Who you dey advise? People when they get children, I mean they give advice to single mother, or you are giving advice to boyfriend and girlfriend, or you giving advice to a husband and wife. I don't even know the one you are. What are you doing? Which kind of advice are you giving to people? I don't know. All I say wa gba oro mo se, we gba oro huwe. Ro ni we kan na nu wa na. Ero ni me kan na nu wa na. Wa gba ori wo se we gba oro huwe. Ka na no. Now we put on for inside our belly 9 months. We can't born out. Like me now, somebody go come and go say, Mama, say, go say, if they go Nigeria, you want go spend 1 year. I leave my pikin for you. He go say, I go fit take care of your pikin. Every man do yo. I know when ya. I went. This one when I want to give my pikin, so I beg. I no fit. Huh? I don't take better. What me say? A paddy wife over key. How can you be using pad? You go pad the weather one way boa. Why you say pad? Use every month. Pad. You dey go school, you be student. Student work here. No student they buy pad every month. Oh no ya go pe total yowa. Oh no ya go pe total yowa. What they pad every month. So women know what I'm talking about. Let's say that woman will say, I know you can't give me belly. You go go feast peel for body. So they eat peel or you go put this thing for body. Oh now what on Facebook or do also if they advise people way better like me now you can't come and you say she want to advise me. How she want to advise me? She go say she get money. Even my last born self, money where that one take they eat since when I born her, You never spend that for your body. Not be said by mouth. You never spend that money. How you feel say you go get money past me? When children they under me. Did you know how much I have touched with this money? Did you know how much Netherlands have watered me? I may go open my account. Where they are. And then my daughter say, "Gaga, you Facebook." I don't know whether I should be university this thing. Why are they pad? Orioba, where you they pad? Yamweko nubie, Yamweko, go fire who go give you belly. As one live video presenter talk. The live video presenter say, "No, Iyore. Only my no can shata. Do your matter is not settling anymore. What did they tell you now? Go born. Yamweko." When they are saying it, they say, yeah, they live and laugh with children. That they laugh with children. As it just be so. Now only one don't they work out they go. How back when they carry, not they tire you. How back? You know they tire you. Carry her back. I mean they carry the draw children, they go school. You they carry her back every day. Every time we will be with women. We get her back for inside house. Sometimes we know they carry her back, follow body. We'll just carry purse. Because I don't feel they drag pikin, they drag her bag. Because the children, they get their mommy. The children, can you go bring energy drink for me under my pillow with a granite seed? You want to show yourself? You want to show your shoe?
Yes, my nice shoes.
They will see your leg go.
No.
If you turn now, the day now when she's here.
Who is that?
They go. I don't want to hear that in your mouth. Eh?
Wait.
Ah, hey! Stop! Will you get out here? No, Titi, no. Nay. Titi, nay.
No, of course not.
No.
I'm sorry, Lord.
You know? Huh? You don't see your period. You give me energy drink. One me period. Every district. Where we are. Huh? See I mean, why touch you that day? Oh, when you are, you know where he get, you know where. Oh, man, why? Oh, what don't know here? You the first topic. Oh, yeah, they will feel where you are. Oh, what do I know? What do I feel where you are? I don't know that way. I want to feel where you are. Go pull it for bush. Eh? You married when they pull it for bush? How can a woman of 40-something years become a slave? And not only for the city when they for his sort out, not only there for the do slave. And he still be slave for Una house for France. She's a slave there. She don't have words of her own. She don't do things of her own. She's under perpetual life, you know? You know? Look at the life she's living. Me now, I can't do now. One man can't say, one man can't do like this. Ah, me I say, honey, you don't come. I can't kiss me. Once he say, Igbo man don't come, you go just run. Person where Igbo man put money for your head. If Igbo man take say, honey, you dare this will say, my love, why can't you can't kiss? The one when Igbo man marry you? Because Igbo man don't say, nah, it work be that. Why your own, once the man don't enter house, you can't see eye, you can't see body language, you go say, eh? For this 20th century, this woman, she's still under a slave trade. Who sold you to an Igbo man? Who sold you to Igbo man as a slave trade? Which trader? Who is that slave trader that sold you? Oh, see your life. Where born, you dey mad. You see what I count for you, so? See what I count for you. My children, they don't grow up. You still dead there. Huh? And so you do. This year will see come out. Next year you can't disgrace yourself. Because if they shy, he said not be only she don't cry for Facebook. How many of you don't cry for Facebook? Cry when people they cry for Facebook. They are all different than your own. Saga too much. Now made they cry. Your own, it carry pain. Severe pain. Like when a person can say, lovely, can't cry for Facebook. What you want to cry for? What am I be crying for? And one man like sis, and I never see this woman they cook one day. I never see her say she dey cook for kitchen. I never see this woman she dey cook for kitchen. Ah, well, who do you this one? Huh? You dey insult people, children. People can't call her. What did they call her? She go dey say that they call her say she never born. She never born. So I hope I no work well. Okay, I work well. I bet you don't take. When they show I hope I no work well. God now answering prayer fast. Not be before. No, your prayer. If you don't pray, say God, this night I want fuck. If I fuck finish, today now waiting 5. Next month on the 5, I don't want to see my period. Next month on the 5, or true coin, I don't see period again. Yo, I did that every day. You will they see period 2 times in a month. Oh, people say, dinner. I don't the period. All the others in all the way. The way she was in a can, Senegal kare no won bi ejo yo da do agbagbile. Ona wa zeso to eni na wa mu popo yan ya do kan yo ewub. Oh! Ine akabaran. Owo to we yen kia no ri on ye kutukutu. I hear people say kutu kutu mama ye ekiadan. Ame kutu 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 mama ye ekiadan. He met they live better life. Ona mwana eke kokobiri. Awe kia no we Senegal. You know say na Senegal na he get France. Or I describe kia no ame we ha. Nukbo. Na you carry all this prick. Ona wa segbe e yana gele gogwe. Yana gogwe. Veni gogwe taba. See your life today now. Every social year, we read Facebook utanemon. That is, I just say they hide your face. All those comments when they comment put, they are just deceiving you. I don't know Yagbore. Who you want get for? Who you want get for? And that woman be. Who want carry that woman go house now? Say they want marry her. As that woman be, she be 47 years. Another woman of 48 years go stand. Ogyoba go stand. They will call man come. The man will say, how old are you? He will say, it be 47. That one will say, how old are you? He will say, it be 49. Oh, you are 49. He will say, yeah. He will tell the 47, do you have children? He will say, no. Then he go tell the 49, do you have children? He go say, yes. He go choose that woman when he have children. Because maybe the man will say, make that woman born for him. That pikin when the man wants, because of pikin, he go choose that woman of 49 years. Because he know say that woman, he go feel produce. She has her age 47 years by this time. Even 45 years when he marry, he age don't reach 45 years, he dey husband house. He go shout, he no see pikin. But on the hospital when they Nigeria, he go off finish until the day when God go bless her. Your own not day like that. You know, she say, a lot of people, they will choose them before they choose you. Because that they look something. Like somebody now will say, I want to get married to you. I say, yeah, how old are you? I'm 49 years. You say, oh, you are 49 years. Yeah, you say, okay. Do you have kids? I say, yes, I have children. You don't marry me. You go just marry because they see me see something. Anye na huwemu. Don't they look you jump, see you see children. Don't they see you see good people. Don't they see you see nice people to present. They will use you free. They will dump you. Mumu. How can they talk to me? You they talk through. You don't know how that matter happen between Meg with Rita. You know how that matter happen. The way when the matter happen, now they talk put. We know they quarrel again. We don't fight. Nothing dead there. Nothing dead there. You did this Facebook. You were mad boy. Now you come on for YouTube. Now you come Facebook, come sit down, they fool yourself. She's how many years? 7 years. Nothing will carry come out for Facebook. Small boy, when you dey insult all the time, that boy don't grow. He don't they get beer. He don't get beer. You go carry belle so that more they find who give you belle. If you carry belle today, nobody go ask you who give you belle. They don't toss say go bring the picky papa come. Everybody will be happy that wuhawane. The people when go happy for you, say you get belle. No, not to those states. Who be you when they don't go insult? Who you be? Who do you think you are? We're not eating those states. He say, Agbon out here on Facebook. Na van bear, ni hen bear. All those things you are trying to do your people, now you the juju go they worry. I know say the Oyoba way that they call you want to they use until they rob your people. Now make you they choose friend they go, and at the end of the day you go turn to disgrace to you because Oyoba knew wiki. Oh when yeah they insult time, and that's your bombing. And when you have you no get those states. Only when my again I want you. You were not having respect. You don't know that respect exists. I'm from go born. So that you go they busy with something you not born. I make you not they busy with anything. Don't be go and born. If you like, they say that they just until they laugh you. That is not my business. Go and born. Go get belly born. For how many years? That's how can somebody go all use papas, use. Just use papas for over 47 years. Wait. What you have to say? 47 years. I want to able to 30-something years, Abi. 20, yeah. Because when she started to see a period, maybe 14 years or 15 years, no, say all those one, now they see this kind of person. Maybe na age of 13 years as they take the fuck up back for back of school that time. And so this one still be. But I have to say this woman, you don't just see period now. More than how many years. And she don't reach 47 years. She know they miss her period. How can you be living in life? Oh, where we go? Where we go? You get some girls. Also, women self, in your bien they don't born. They will even take their husband's house. Yeah, go wrong come out. You go say, honey, I'm not just get belly this year, because you go to the monitor body. Why that monitor say no fee, you know get belly this year? They monitor on whether in anything I TV hammer. Do you understand? Whether you know if they get belly again, you don't stop. Charge beard don't stop to give birth, you don't stop. Go they complain. You go hospital. You know? I don't say some women, period, some women they don't get period, they go. Some day, they're not gonna get better before year go end. They will go meet doctor. Some day, 2 years, if you not get better, go meet doctor. Doctor will say you are fine. Oh, now, and then every month on our day part. Or when the queen is queen, yes, is there one video when he say, queen is back be. A queen not there, and when I'm not back be. We wait there, France, queen there, this thing, Spain. If when you go carrying, I will never say we see you with queen. Can't lie. I will queen in the back be. When we queen is back be, nyana swam boy. You carry quick, get up now. You DJ where EJ. How can you lift somebody up at the end of the day? Now you can't dey down. They say, person when they learn work, you know they no work past your guy. Lie. You know they no work past your guy. How can that? When you when it back be, a queen mass away. Uruguga. Now so you there inside house like prisoner. You never see who talk to you. Now you they come this they say some people don't do this Facebook for 7 years. They not feel grow for Facebook. Before me, I don't grow for Facebook. You never enter YouTube. You never even enter Facebook. Before you start your live video, I don't already they plug 1K view. You they learn. Because I come and say I don't want to say I they do saga again. You decrease. If I say make they open Facebook, they open Facebook again. I can't do it. Why I not doing? Because I deal with children. I don't feel carry those chance too much. You open for everywhere. They go everywhere because women want to buy. Small people know they say 10 for your house. No. Small people know they say, mommy, I want chocolate. No. You just stay inside house alone. Why you want house na build na when you work your big be like person when they love put for inside darkness and not darkness now you go be until the day when that your bad luck when follows you, whether you go fit go do the cleansing. Now you go come they talk so that people will know say yes, you they talk. Nonsense. Useless woman. You know when they wear brinking, now you can't see they talk to person for Facebook. Eh? What of you when they bully person picky? Person bully you, why you not bully him back? Why you they go for children? Because our money are wedge. You can see, you cannot touch. Why till your boss swear? Why till go? Why till your boss swear? Oh, you can play ball. You will go if you come for school. You go play football. I know no wedge ball. Over 7 years. You go YouTube, you come, you enter Facebook. Later, like go see come on for Facebook, go enter YouTube. Say, "Be my way." You know if you make am for YouTube, now Facebook make and remaking, not be donate. Make and remaking say, "To where you hear me with Facebook, add more you go where there." Come on, dry fish. Dry fish now you fight for Ibobo. You fight for dry fish. You fight for Egile. You fight for this Fenaton. Now you see the fight food put come reach today. Now you see the fight put. Huh? Well, toi. YouTube when you spend 5 years, wait till you carry come on for there or mama like Facebook. Money not follow you enter Facebook. You come now hell, you come the tie now they tie hell nan like this thing slave when they hide they go. They have for all corner, they have for other planted they go. You not see your life. Go and get something busy with your life. Ya go le book ya bien. A video presenter where you know ya gbore. No more that gbore ya. Ora bo na gbore nya bo. If black if can finish or you go fuck am. If black fuck can finish or you go fuck am. If black fuck can finish or you go fuck am. If they follow Oyibo, if they follow black, amamio me borie ladian, amamio me black ire ladian. Oh! Ina wa just igbe spam nkwa. Oyebe no see. Be like who they pour hot water put for a board don. Huh? Somebody that ebo ni good there for years. That Oyibo, they say he reach 80 years. Now 80 years he takes it that Oyibo. When he see that Oyibo that time, that Oyibo should be around that kind 40-something years. 40-something or 50. He don't follow that Oyibo more than many years. Yeah, he follow that Oyibo more than many years. Oyibo the fucker, black the fucker, Oyibo the fucker, Oyibo the fucker. Uhe ebo ma half kasi ma kuhe ladian. A black pikin ma kuhe ladian. But what girl see wauwe? Somebody when he say she be ghetto, She I say ghetto, dido. She talk for you know this woman she too talk lie. Wait till another person they do, she go use and take the laugh person and she don't fair do that one. That time well before your man say amen Igbo man na. Or where a dido ekiaba or where enya he put am for under pillow. He can't they used to ekiaba yen aho. Ekiaba. Now they talk say Monica went down and they carry dido. Now they talk say Monica they carry dido. You use your man talking for Facebook say Ekiaba was your prick. When you know where ba say if you piss your totoro they smell Ekiaba. If you miss your kbekus will they smell Ekiaba. If you put pints now this one if they leak maybe now make cannot feel born. If valve don't burst. No ya ye Ghana no ya ye Senegal ya bagbile will tell France. Can you imagine? You will use your mouth to say, dido. Now your mouth now Monica for year. I been now you talking before Monica can go. I been now Monica talking before you can go say you don't fair use dido before. I don't can know. Or where I been you don't use dido finish before Monica go carry you come out. Man come to you know on I rock Facebook now. Oh, you know ya no see we na ria na wa goro ho na rio. Oh we nya e kia ba no wa digba se. Now he put for the pillow. Eh? Always so if he piss, if nyash go to smell abba. If he mess, everybody go smell abba. If he cough, you go to hear abba. Ah? Dido. That is rubber penis. He said she can't use to rubber penis. Say she not get boyfriend that time. A rubber penis, oh wow, a rubber penis you cannot put from that pillow. A way no long. Eh? She dey come dey talk. You know how many men she don't stay with? Now she's married Ghana. Ghana live and I don't know whether she not born for them. I don't know what they do. Make she go born, make she go born. Now they tell you all the time. Stupid, useless woman when don't condemn for a life. Now you they come they talk to me. You know where? Now me you want use it direct way they talk to. Avala bear. Go find people when they carry they walk up and down for Facebook. They all have children. They get children. Go born. Go born. Make they see they call your pikin name join you. Now you actually Ogyan ba pikin. Ya bien nacho Ogyan ba pikin. Done. Bastard. Walale. I can't give you this video. Yeah? Next time when you call it to platform and talk to me, I will come disgrace you. Stop buying. You don't buy this pad rich. They don't work out why you have the pad dead. You don't enter menopause. How can a woman have the pad dead? From the time when you start to do prick, can't reach 40-something years. Before you know, now this woman go enter menopause. Now that time, now she not going to buy pad again. Every year she must buy pad. Ah, that's why pikin no be say, stress too much. I think women, go they born every year. Pad for market. Nobody go agree to buy pad again. Now only she go they buy pad with student. Now student. Now they say, I beg, did you have pad there? My pad is finished. When I go outside, then I replace it. Now student they ask for pad. Oh well, if a 47 years old woman she still they add for she still they buy pad. Every month by month, or yeah, they pad. Every month by month, year by year. Good 7 years when this woman won't take no for Facebook. Now so pad she they buy. She never taking one day. She never born. You know so now I spent 7 years for Facebook. I not great grow. And you spend 7 years for Facebook. Now every month now they buy pad. Every year now they buy pad. And you know if you carry picky come. And you yourself you know if you grow to carry picky come. You know if you grow to make money on your own without people not donate for you for Facebook. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Before you go start to talk to me, go born. Let me see. Pikin is crying. Ya beer. Where bien where day. Where my beer. You are just now. Every national exercise. Every national go to where they will take do sacrifice. Now you be. They will put up for your name. They draw you. They go. Nonsense. If you such people children feel you can't they cry say that they say aganoma bia and before call when matobu when now you they call yourself aganoma bia. You know the shame. You know the shame. The picking now that they do one go and boost your womb. Go booster. Go to doctor. Go to many places. If say true say you they take care of yourself, you think you will have time on social media. Women that is really looking for the fruit of the womb, they don't get time for social media. Any call when they call, how they want to born, how they want to born, how I want to born, how not to born, how not to do one. Any call when they call. Do you hear? Any call when they call, how they want to born. Now they go they talk. Sister, I don't tire. I bet you go another place again and I'm you one more. They go they call up and down. They go they go village to village. They go. No, instead for Facebook they come make they come they pity for you. They pity for you. Before you start to they fool yourself, you pity for yourself. Useless woman. Orion bata. Ya bien. One bon. Ou any self nothing dead dear. Nothing dead dear. Oh. Oh, wow, wake up, wow, wake up, nehi. Wow, wake up. They were always say where we have one ya. I will go say 9 months. Where I want to have where that boy ya wake up. You see some women before they go for born finish, they're not going to do pre-save. Oh, where you? And then they go ya wake up. Whether we go see the fucking gamma kamu gamma mufua. Or when the gamma kamu ne gamma mufua. It's any Ghana muona mufua. Eh? The other day now, I begin to the park Senegal, they park Ghana, they park this thing for them. And they say, why Ghana? Why Kokobiri? Even Wauna me like her, na lao. She like her. Okay, you dead life. Okay, now may I come meet you? Bye. My people, now bye bye. I dey go where we dey play.